Hi, my name is Sara Rouhanifard. I'm an assistant professor in the bioengineering department, and I'm here to talk to you about our InCu-Click project. InCu-Click is a project that's a major advance in live cell labeling by making copper-catalyzed click chemistry safe for intracellular use. By developing an ultra-sensitive copper chelating ligand, and that just means it binds copper really tightly, combined with innovative delivery methods, we're enabling real-time detection of biomolecules in live cells. And this is going to transform research in drug discovery, biomarker detection, and cellular biology. So we're hoping to use the Spark Fund funds to advance this research and expand the utility of our tool so that it can be used in all academic as well as industry labs.